Yeah, sorry about that, y'all. You know, maybe probably getting food. You know, just fucking around. But yeah, this part two of part one. Yeah. Oh shit. I would stick my hand in there, but you know I'm black. Black folks don't do that type of shit. Damn it. I ain't fucking. Oh shit. Damn it, could be a motherfucking big ass anaconda. I seen the movie. Might be some big shit up in that bitch. I ain't got time to deal with it. Yeah, so just walking. You know, it got kind of dark. You know, it cooled down some. Sun probably went behind the clouds or some shit like that. Y'all know how that shit type of shit go. Yeah, as soon as I get back to the house, I'm gonna upload this bitch back up. You know, upload this both of them up to YouTube. So they got all type of little cut shits up in this bitch. Yeah, I ain't got time for it though. Yeah, excuse me. Especially 'cause I'm by myself and I'm black. You know, shit. You know, that's what I'm saying. Oh, y'all see that shit? Hmm. Yeah, I had hear shit back there. So I'm sure y'all I hear shit back there, but yeah, somewhere that way. And I heard it again. Next time I'm like, no, I'm actually not. Keep the bitch in the open and take the fuck off. Y'all let me know if y'all see something. Alright, there we go. I heard it. Alright, you know, that's another fucking trail. Time to get the jogging. See? Y'all see that too? Yeah, no. Another trail. See that? Hold. Yeah, man. Gotta jog. Just gotta be scared of moving. You know, always bobbing this shit. This the thing moving me right now. You know, I'm black. And I'm in the woods by myself. We don't do this shit. I don't know why. I did this shit to jump because my mama. Gotta go. See, there's a basket over there somewhere. Made it back to this part. This part by my house. Yeah, all this shit is behind my apartment. That's the pool, but in my apartment. I'm letting y'all know all this. This is live from Morrow, Georgia. Them apartments near South Lake. Yeah, the ones closest to South Lake. Yeah, that's where I'm at. You know, just cooling it. Yeah, that's my neighborhood right there. That's the pool. You know, leasing office. Y'all get a better view of it in a minute. Yeah, see that's really cool. I would take that way, but you know. Oh yeah, this is almost the end of it. This way is the house. I mean, not the house, the street. It's another way to the street. You know, I'd rather cut through this way. This is where my house is anyway. But yeah, I'm just saying. Mhm. We just be cooling it. We ain't going steady. That lame ass song. It ain't lame, it's just so everybody knows that's the pool, leasing office. Yeah, you know, parked by my house. Yeah, that building right there. Yeah, that's my house. We the only people that stay in it. Yeah. There used to be a grill, just to let y'all know. Yes, I'm out here with a bunch of Mexicans and black folks. You know shit gonna be fucked up around here. See, fixing the streets and shit. Damn it, right there. That's where people be throwing furniture and shit. That ain't supposed to go there. But hey, that's what they do. That shit ugly as fuck, ain't it? Alright, YouTube, world peace. I'll catch y'all later.